Courage used for good. Yes, courage is noble when used for good and right. Courage is powerful force. It can accomplish much good or much evil. Use your bravery to make a positive change in your corner of the world. Having a strong personality isn't bad or wrong. It's how you use it that matters. If you are assertive and aggressive, use it to make changes for the better and to influence those around you to do right. Are you a young woman of courage? Look around for something that needs to be changed or someone who needs a friend to stick up for her, and don't be afraid to step up and make a difference. Wherever you are, ask God to give you the courage to face life head on. You can accomplish much for God with His help. Spread love, everyone.